you know what's worse than seeing a check engine light? Not knowing what it actually means. For mechanics, DIYers, and even car lovers, that little light often leads to frustration, wasted time, and expensive guesswork. But what if there was a tool powerful enough to uncover the real issue, yet simple enough for anyone to use? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing a tool that honestly blew me away, the Autel MaxiCOM MK808S. If you've ever battled with that annoying check engine light or wished for dealership-level diagnostics without the dealership price tag, this scanner might be exactly what you need. First impressions. Right out of the box, the MK808S feels professional. The 7-inch touchscreen is bright, responsive, and smooth thanks to its upgraded processor. Unlike those cheap, sluggish scanners, this one actually feels reliable and premium. Key features that impressed me. Full system diagnostics. It doesn't just scan the engine, it covers ABS, transmission, airbags, TPMS, and more. 28+ service functions, from oil reset, EPB, DPF, and SAS to throttle relearn, functions you'd normally pay a shop to handle. Fast performance. Compared to older Autel models, this one boots quicker, scans faster, and avoids lag. Massive vehicle coverage. Works with 150+ brands worldwide. I tested it on a Toyota and a BMW. No issues at all. Why it stands out. The MK808S isn't just built for today's vehicles, it's designed to keep up with tomorrow's. Free Wi-Fi updates. Always stay current as new models and systems are released. Expanding coverage. Autel continuously adds support, so the scanner grows smarter over time. Future-proof hardware. With Android 11 and a solid processor, it's ready for more advanced diagnostics. Scales with you. Whether you're a beginner, DIY enthusiast, or running a shop, this tool adapts as your needs grow. Buying the MK808S isn't just getting a scanner, it's investing in a tool that grows with you. Pros. Easy to use even for beginners. Free software updates over Wi-Fi. Lightweight, durable, and portable. Builds confidence. Know exactly what's wrong before spending money. Cons. No coding or advanced programming, that's for higher-end Autel tools. Pricier than basic OBD2 scanners, but that's the trade-off for professional-level features. Final thoughts. Overall, the Autel MaxiCOM MK808S is hands down one of the best mid-range diagnostic tools I've tested. It's fast, reliable, and feature-packed, easily saving you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars on repairs over time. If you're a DIYer looking to take control of your garage or a professional needing a dependable shop tool, I can confidently recommend the MK808S. I'll drop a link below so you can check the latest pricing and details. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments, would you use the MK808S in your garage?